Hello, I'm Chris. I'm a KMP developer. Tech support's coming out Tuesday. Tuesday, I think you said Tuesday morning. And to close that up, and hopefully that'll be out of my hair soon. Today I'm reviewing how I added these previews, these really nice previews, parameterized previews to the Fred's Roadtrip Storyteller app. And it was really super easy. I showed how to add previews in my composed tips to the KMP project, but you can go see it. It's basically. Hold on, let me go open up that window. All right, so here you're gonna put it. Add this preview, and they only work on the Android side, which I'll discuss in a second. So you have to add that one there. You have to add this annotation here for this custom preview, for this parameterized preview stuff. So you have to add this here. And you have to add inside the Android, you have to add the tooling preview over here. And yeah, that's it. That's it right there. So, and it allows you to add all these nice parameterized views. And you do have to put these all in the, where are we at here? Right here. So these all have to go into the shared code on the Android side, on the inside this Android main. So you can't put it right next to the composable. You have to put it in this preview to be able to, have the preview show up. And that's just the way it is right now. Current limitation. I'm sure they're going to address it at some point. And I'm using this preview parameter. It's like, how does this thing work? And you have to use a special class that it uses that implements an interface that creates a sequence, so, one after the other of these different whatever states, whatever type of variable you want to be passing in here. And I'm just using the billing state. So instead of having to go through and create a billing state for not purchased, and then a preview, and then for pending, and all like that, all I have to do is do this, and it spits out all the previews. And so that's one thing, is this preview parameter. And then if you add the other custom annotation that comes in with that set, which is that version 1.6.0 previews annotations, you get the light and dark. So you get the light version as well, which is pretty nice, because dealing with all these colors and everything in here and messing with all that stuff is just a pain to do this all by, and then do all the previews by hand. But this really makes it very, very convenient. So that's what I wanted you to be aware of, and how to set it up. And I have a composed tips about this too, that discusses a couple of the other custom annotations, like fonts and screen sizes. But for this particular use case, this is exactly what I wanted. And the thing that's really nice about this too is it automatically does the interactive. So you can. So I have I have an animation here for it shows the animation there too. So that's kind of nice. So you can stop that interactive mode, so you can preview all that stuff, because I'm not using any view models or anything like that. It's all right there inside this composable here, where I'm just doing, where is it pending here? Yeah, so the launched effect does the indeterminate progress, which I had to change these indeterminate progress. These right here, the circular progress indicators, they were crashing. You actually have to use a parameter. They changed some things on the API for some reason. I'm not really sure why, but you have to give it a parameter. And because I wanted it to be indeterminate, I just made a little loop, and it just loops it right here. Super easy. Yeah, that's about it. And so that's how to add parameterized previews. So yeah, so it's just a really simple interface here. And it has a sequence of values, and you can it returns a count, and defaults to that. You don't have to implement that. And then you can have it actually emitting a whole bunch of values if you want, and then you can limit that there. So it's really quite simple to implement. It's like very straightforward. So that's how that works. Bye.